How to log into Canva account. Let's get started. You can use web version of Canva or also you can download the Canva app to log in. For this video, I will be using the web version. Go ahead and open any of the browser. Now over here, you'll find the search box. Type in canva.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Canva. Now over here, you'll find the option of login. Click on it. Different options will appear. You can use any of these options to log into your account. Google, email, Apple, Facebook. Click on the option of continue another way. You will get the option of Microsoft and Cleaver, or also you can use your phone number. Select the option that is suitable for you. Now you have to type in your Canva account's credentials. Once you type in, click on continue. Now you will need to type in the code that has been sent to your email address. So you can go ahead and check your mail and type in that code over here. After you enter the code, you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log into your Canva account. The process is similar in the app as well. So that's all for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.